So contestants, we have 5 rounds in this contest. Each round has its rules. But in all rounds, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations, and 10 seconds for those that do not involve calculations. You have just one attempt at answering at any point in time. So if I ask you to repeat your answer for any reason, please repeat, do not change. In the first round, each school is going to get a question to be answered correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, you lose, you not lose anything, but another school can answer correctly for a bonus point, and they will lose a point when they are wrong. To pick a bonus point, allow the school to while away the time allotted to them, at most 30 seconds. Then if they are not speaking, the bell will go out on them, then you can ring the bell. Or else when they answer, let me tell them they are wrong. Then you can get the opportunity to answer their question. So I wish you all the best as we start this round. I'm starting with Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School. All the best to you all. And contestants, when you are given your answer, go straight to the point, please. Aggrey. Find the magnitude of the average net force on a 15-kilogram object whose speed increases from 0 to 14 meters per second in 5.0 seconds. Go ahead, Daladem.
42 Newton.
That is correct. Ghana National College. Find the magnitude of the average net force that stops a 16-kilogram object moving at 12 meters per second in 4.0 seconds. Go ahead.
The force that stops it is 48 newtons.
That is correct. Mpraeso, find the magnitude of the average net force on a 12-kilogram object moving along a straight line whose speed increases from 2.5 meters per second to 10.5 meters per second in 4.0 seconds. Go ahead.
24 newtons.
That is correct. A preamble to all schools. Bond length is generally defined as the average distance between the nuclei of 2 bonded atoms in the molecule. Arrange the given bonds in increasing order of bond length. Bond length is generally defined as the average distance between the nuclei of 2 bonded atoms in a molecule. Arrange the given bonds in increasing order of bond length. Aggrey. CC triple bond, NN triple bond, CN triple bond. Yes, Daladem.
We are increasing, so NN. So we have this be the smallest, right? The increasing is NN triple bond, CN triple bond, and CC triple bond.
That is correct. Ghana National College. CC single bond, CL single bond, OO single bond. Was the hand up? Go ahead, answer.
So in increasing order, we have CL single bond, CC single bond, and OO single bond.
That is incorrect. Mpraeso for a bonus.
In increasing order, we have OO single bond, CC single bond, then CL single bond.
That is correct. Mpraeso, CO double bond, SS double bond, and CC double bond.
Okay, in increasing bond length, we have CO double bond, CC double bond, and SS double bond.
That is correct. Aggrey Memorial. With respect to the histogen theory, this is a preamble to all schools. With respect to the histogen theory, states the meristematic zone in plants to which the following descriptions refer. So with respect to the histogen theory, state the meristematic zone in plants to which the following description refers. Aggrey. It is the outermost layer and gives rise to the epidermis. Go ahead, Peter.
The dermatogen.
That is correct. Ghana National. It is present below the dermatogen. It gives rise to the cortex and endodermis. Go ahead, Papaya.
The periblem.
Periblem is correct. Mpraeso, it is the inner core that gives rise to vascular tissues and pith.
Plerum.
Plerum it is. Preamble to all schools. Find a Cartesian equation in X and Y from the given set of equations. Find a Cartesian equation in X and Y from the given set of equations. Aggrey Memorial. X equals 2 sine t plus 3. Y equals 5 cos t minus 2. Go ahead, Deladem.
We have x, a fraction with numerator, x minus 3. This x minus 3 square, and denominator 4. This whole fraction plus another fraction with numerator, y plus 2. This y plus 2 square, and denominator 25. This whole expression is equal to 1.
That is correct. Ghana National College. X equals 3 cos t minus 5. Y equals 4 sine t plus 3. Yes, Prince. Paul, sorry.
Okay. So we have a fraction with numerator, and that numerator is an expression, s plus 5, and that expression is squared. And it has a denominator, 9, plus another fraction, and that fraction has a numerator with expression, y minus 3, and that expression squared, and a denominator of 16. And this whole thing is equal to 1.
That is correct. Mpraeso, x equals 6 sine t. X equals 6 sine t minus 2. Y equals 2 cos t plus 4. Yes, Collins.
We have a fraction with numerator, and the numerator is the expression x plus 2. That expression is squared over denominator 36 plus another fraction with numerator y minus 4. That y minus 4 is squared on denominator of 4 is equal to 1.
That is correct. Aggrey Memorial. Find the distance between a concave mirror of focal length 0.20 meter and the image of an object placed 0.15 meter from the mirror. The ladder is your hand up.
Okay, so we have 0.86 meters.
That is incorrect. Ghana National College for a bonus.
0.60 meters.
That is correct. Ghana National College. Find the distance between a concave mirror of focal length 0.30 meter and an object in front of it at which a real image of the object is formed 0.75 meter from the mirror. Yes, Papaya.
So the object distance is equal to 1.7 by 10 raised to the power of -1 meters.
That is incorrect. Yes, Mpraeso for a bonus.
0.50 meters.
That is correct. Mpraeso, find the distance between a concave mirror of focal length 0.25 meter and the image of an object placed 0.12 meter from the mirror. Yes, Clavet.
The distance is equal to, what do you get? 0.2 3 meters.
That is correct. Aggrey. In a titration reaction, 40.0 cubic centimeters of 0.10 mole per cubic decimeter NaOH reacts with 60.0 cubic centimeter of 0.20 mole per cubic decimeter of HCl. Identify the reaction in excess. The reactant, identify the reactant in excess and its concentration. Your hand wasn't up. Going up and down. Answer.
She'll be saying it. HCl is in excess.
So HCl is in excess, and it is in excess by 0.050 mole per dm cube.
You get 1 out of 3. Ghana National College. Identify the reactant in excess and its concentration when 90.0 cubic centimeters of 0.20 mole per cubic decimeter NaOH reacts with 30.0 cubic centimeters of 0.50 mole per cubic decimeter of HCl. Go ahead.
So the SS is NaOH and the concentration is 0.025 mole per dm cube.
That is correct. Mpraeso. Identify the reactant in excess and its concentration when 15.0 cubic centimeters of 0.80 mole per cubic decimeter NaOH reacts with 85.0 cubic centimeters of 0.20 mole per cubic decimeter of HCl. Yes, Collins.
The excess reactant is HCl and the concentration is given by 0.050 mole per decimeter cube.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. Indicates the numbers of atria and ventricles in the heart of the following groups of organisms. Indicates the numbers of atria and ventricles in the heart of the following groups of organisms. Aggrey, fishes.
fishes have one atria and then two ventricles.
That is incorrect. National for your bonus.
One atrium and one ventricle.
That is correct. Ghana National. Amphibians. Yes, Papaya.
They have two atria and one ventricle.
That is correct. Mpraeso, birds.
They have two atria and two ventricles.
Two atria.
And two ventricles.
That is correct. So Aggrey, you gave one of the two. Okay, so National will not get the bonus, but Aggrey will get 2 points. Last set for this round. Preamble to all schools. Find the quadratic equation with roots. Find the quadratic equation with roots. Aggrey. Square root of 3, so root 3 plus or minus 2. Root 3 plus or minus 2. Yes, tell them.
X squared. So the quadratic equation is x squared minus bracket 2 root 3 bracket close x minus 1 is equal to 0.
That is correct. Ghana National College. Negative root 7 plus or minus 3. Yes, Papaya.
The equation is x squared plus 2 root 7x minus 2 is equal to 0.
That is correct. Mpraeso, root 5 plus or minus 1. Yes, Clavet.
X squared minus 2 root 5x plus 4 is equal to 0.
That is correct. That's the end of the first round. As I said earlier, it's the Pepsodent speed race. Can I get a smile from you all? So this round 2. And I'm going to give questions to all 3 schools at the same time. You may take turns in answering. If you are the first to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. But As soon as you ring your bell, when you are ready with your answer, this is the round that you can ring your bell as soon as you are ready with your answer. So once you ring your bell, you are ready. I give you the opportunity immediately if there's no one speaking, but if someone is speaking, I'll allow them to finish, then you can come in when they are wrong. As soon as you are called upon, you give your answer. You have a 3-second window within which to start your answer. If you start with, and madam, we have, and this that you asked is, you haven't started your answer. I won't take it as you started your answer. So please, go straight to the point. After 3 seconds of you not starting giving your answer, I'll just assume you've given a wrong answer. Then we move on to the next school that has rank, if there is any. Mind you, this round, as soon as you ring your bell, you have taken a mark off what the next school will get. So if you don't go by the rules, you may get penalized. I wish you all the best. The Pepsodent Speed Race is sponsored by the Pepsodent toothpaste. Every smile matters. So we start our Pepsodent Speed Race. Find the depth of water in a leaking large tank which ejects water from a small hole near the bottom of the tank at a speed of 0. Yes. Mpraeso?
3 meters per second.
That is incorrect. At a speed of 7. Yes, Aggrey.
You have 0.36 meters.
That is incorrect. At a speed of 7.0 meters per second. Is 2.5 meters. Find the reactance of a 5.0 microfarad capacitor at a frequency of 7.0 kilohertz. Aggrey.
You have 2.3 by 10.
That is incorrect. Ghana National.
4.6 ohms.
That is incorrect. It is 4.5 ohms. A constant 50 Newton net force acts on the 2-kilogram object that is initially at rest. Find the kinetic energy of the object at the instant the impulse of the net force equals 2 Newton seconds. Aggrey.
We have 625 joules.
That is incorrect. Mpraeso.
1 joule.
That is correct. How many molecules are present in 1.8 grams of butane? 1.5 times 10 to the power 22 molecules. 200.0 cubic centimeters of 0.82 mole per cubic decimeter solution of HCl is diluted to 1.0 cubic decimeters and 20.0 cubic centimeters of the resulting solution is further diluted to 80.0 cubic centimeters. What is the final Yes, National.
4.1 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 3 mole per dm cube.
That is incorrect.
We have
Agree. Agree.
0.041. We have 0.041 mole per dm cube.
That is correct. What mass is present? What mass is present in 1 mole of sodium ethanoate? Yes, agree.
The mass is giving us
80 grams.
That is incorrect. National.
The mass is 82 grams.
That is incorrect. National will get it. What name is given to the reversal of ethylation effect by light? It is photomorphogenesis. What is the actual genetic section of the sperm cell? Ghana National.
The head.
That is correct. What name is given to species very near to extinction if conservation measures are not promptly taken? Yes, Mpraeso.
Endangered species.
Endangered species they are. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x. Yes, National.
So the points are 1, 4 and
Who ranks second? Agree.
1, 4 and 3, negative 24.
That is incorrect. Did they ring? Oh, okay. Go ahead.
4,36 and 0,0.
That is incorrect. It is 1, 4 and 3, 0. A and B are events in a sample space S such that P of A is equal to, so the probability of A is equal to 0.8, probability of B is equal to 0.7, and probability of A intersection B equals 0.6. Yes, Ghana National.
0.9.
That is correct. 2 points A and B have position vectors RA equals 3I minus 4J, and RB equals 6I plus 5J relative to an origin O. Find the position vector of B relative to A. Ghana National.
3I plus 9J.
That is correct. That's the end of the Pepsodent speed race. Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School had 15 points. Ghana National College had 27 points. And Mpraeso Senior High School had 29 points. So contestants, we are moving to our third round where we solve the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a complex question that is coming to all three schools. You have 4 minutes within which to give a solution on the interactive boards or screens that you've been provided with. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. And so Prudential Life Insurance is offering the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star that is going to award the school that gets 10 out of 10 for the problem of the day, a perfect problem of the day, a very simple one. Problem of the day, solve for x and y from the equations y equals 2 plus log base 4 of x, and x to the power y equals 4 to the power 8. This is the problem of the day. You have 4 minutes to give a solution starting now. Put their solutions on the board. I have assessed them. Now, let us see what was suggested by our consultant. So this is a problem in maths. The problem was for the contestants to solve for x and y from the equations y equals 2 plus log base 4 of x, and x to the power y equals 4 to the power 8. So, xy equals x to the power y equals 4 to the power 8, y log base 4 of x equals 8. So the expression 2 plus log base 4 of x multiplying log base 4 of x will give you 8. So log base 4 of x squared, the expression log base 4 of x squared plus 2 log base 4 of x minus 8 is equal to 0. That will give you 2 points if you are able to get this equation. So you can use whatever variable you want. National used z, but we are using u. So let u be equal to log base 4 of x. So u squared plus 2u minus 8 is 0. 2 points. Then u plus, the expression u plus 4 multiplying the expression u minus 2 is equal to 0. So u is equal to 2 or negative 4. Then log base 4 of x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 4 squared, which is equal to 16. Then y is equal to the expression 2 plus log base 4 of x, which is equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So x equals 16, y equals 4. That will give you 2 points. Then log base 4 of x equals negative 4, x equals 4 to the power negative 4, which is equal to 1 over 4 to the power 4, equal to 1 over 256. So y is equal to 2 plus log base 4 of x, which is equal to 2 minus 4, which is equal to negative 2. So we get x to be 1 over 256, y will be equal to negative 2. So let's look at the solutions. Aggrey Memorial was not able to give us anything, so they got no point. Mpraeso, however, was able to work out x. They were able to work out x. But the y, they had 2 different values. And since we were given points for steps, they did not define anything. They were just working. So I couldn't get anything they were doing, but at least I was able to recognize that they got x equals 1 over 256. Y, they got y to be negative 2 and 4, which wasn't the answer. So they are getting just 1 point for their problem of the day. Then Ghana National was able to get the second equation correct, so they got 2 points for that. So at the end of the, so for the problem of the day, Aggrey had no point, Mpraeso had 1 point, and Ghana National College had 2 points. Before we progress, the teacher has worked something elegantly here, which is similar to what the students had worked out, but not exactly what they had worked out. So, I went back to what they worked out, looked at it, and you'd realize that when I was reading the suggested solution from our consultant, there were points for the steps. There were points for the steps. So if you even worked it the way that he had worked out, and you had jumped some steps, you will not get the points. However, they had used a different approach that I have gone over. And there are some things there that are not mathematically right. I have asked them. They are trying to explain something for me to think of something. I will just work with what is there. I cannot go into your head to think, to see what you are thinking. So please. However, when I went back, I realized you had y equals negative 2 there. So, I'll give you some points. I'll give you some points because when I was giving my solutions, I defined certain terms. I represented some things with some other things. You have y equals negative 2 or 4. That you won't get any point for, but you get a point for y equals negative 2, and x equals 1 over 256. So you get 2 points. So Mpraeso gets 2 points. Please change to the school logos. And please, mind you, we have our maths consultant here with us. So he's seeing everything that is going on. He's hearing everything that is going on. If there's anything, he'll alert me, okay? Thank you. Before we move to the fourth round, Ghana National College would like to make a change. So they are bringing in Felix Ajimanodame Jr. for Paul Damois. So thank you for being with us, Paul. I wish you all the best in whatever you do from here. You are welcome, Felix. So we continue with our contest. It's round 4. In this round, each school is going to get a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you're right, you earn 2 points. When you're wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer at all. Then when your time runs out, the bell will go out, and another school may ring to answer correctly for the 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. So we start the 4th round. All the best to you. We'll start again with Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School. A preamble to all schools. An object moves a quarter turn around a circle of radius 1 meter. An object moves a quarter turn around a circle of radius 1 meter. Aggrey Memorial. The object did not undergo a displacement because it moved around a circle instead of along a straight line. Yes, Deladem. Is your mic on?
True.
That is incorrect. Please leave the microphone on. Please, I need you to keep your eyes on me. Concentrate on only me. Ignore everyone down there. Just be looking at me. Ghana National College. The magnitude of the displacement of the object is 1/4 the circumference of the circle. Yes, Felix.
True.
That is incorrect. Mpraeso, the displacement of the object cannot be specified because its direction of motion cannot be given uniquely.
False.
That is correct. Aggrey. The first ionization energy of alkali earth metals. The first ionization of alkali earth metals increases with atomic number.
False.
That is correct. Ghana National College. The first ionization energy of alkali metals always decreases with size of the atom. Yes, Felix.
True.
That is correct. Mpraeso, for a given period, the first ionization energy of an alkali earth metal is always greater than that of an alkali metal. Yes, Collins.
True.
That is correct. A preamble to all schools. When comparing mammals with birds, the possession of four appendages is, when comparing mammals with birds, the possession of four appendages is Aggrey Memorial, an example of analogy rather than homology.
False.
That is correct. Ghana National College. A character used to sort bird species.
False.
That is correct. Mpraeso, a shared derived character. Yes.
True.
That is incorrect. Aggrey Memorial. Root 9 equals plus or minus 3.
False.
That is correct. Ghana National. Cube root of negative 27 equals negative 3.
True.
That is correct. Mpraeso, the fourth root of 16 equals 1 over plus or minus 2. If you don't get the question, the square root sign with 4 before it, then 16.
True.
That is incorrect. The moment of a force is a vector quantity. Aggrey.
True.
That is correct. Ghana National. The direction of the moment of a force is the same as the direction of the force. Yes, Felix.
False.
That is correct. Mpraeso, the magnitude of the moment of a force equals the product of the magnitude of the force and the distance between its point of application and the point about which the moment is taken. Yes, Collins.
False.
That is correct. Aggrey. Ammonia can be collected over water by the downward displacement of water.
False.
That is correct. Ghana National College. Hydrogen chloride can be collected over water by the upward displacement of water. Go ahead.
False.
That is correct. Mpraeso, sulfur dioxide can be collected over water by upward displacement of water.
True.
That is incorrect. Aggrey. The next one goes to you. There's a preamble. In phylogenetics, Aggrey, branches are the lines in the tree.
True.
That is incorrect. Ghana National. Tips. tips of the branches have long lost sequences or species.
False.
That's incorrect. Mpraeso, a node indicates the inferred ancestor of extant taxa.
True.
That is incorrect. Aggrey. A square is a rhombus.
True.
That is correct. Keep your eyes on me. Ghana National. A rectangle is a square.
False.
That is correct. Mpraeso, a trapezium is a parallelogram.
It's a true statement.
That is incorrect. That's the end of the fourth round. Aggrey, don't you know what you won? You don't want to know what you won? Okay, so Aggrey won 1,200 because they were able to solve 3 of the riddles, sorry. 3 out of 4 correctly. So you earn 1,200. Congratulations to you, Aggrey Memorial. The contest has ended, and these are the scores. Very, very close. At the end of the contest, I'm again happy to announce that Mpraeso won the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star. So may I continue? May I continue? So let me explain something. I told you our maths consultant was here. Hello, please. I told you our maths consultant was here. I told you our maths consultant was here. And he would definitely alert me if anything needs to be changed. And he did alert me. And so, Mpraeso got the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star. So at the end of the contest, Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School had 34 points. Ghana National College had 39 points. And Mpraeso Senior High School had 43 points. So thank you for joining us for this contest. Congratulations. Prudential Life, 2000.